YTEL has always been in the business of making connections. Message360 allows us to continue down that path of connecting businesses to their customers in meaningful ways.
Message360 is a communications API that provides businesses with the building blocks to communicate with customers. It's one platform that supports voice, text, email, and direct mail. Now, what does that mean? That means you can do some pretty cool stuff to personalize the customer experience. Now, imagine you own a chain of restaurants and you want to personalize the experience for your customers. With Message360, you can create a custom application. So for that hostess who's never met that customer that's calling in, using their phone number, they already know who they are, what they like, where they like to sit, or even their favorite bottle of wine. You're creating personal connections in places where they never existed, and that's what makes Message360 unique.
The magic behind Message360 is rooted in how it was built. We built the application's infrastructure to be reliable and to simply just work. With Message360, businesses can pass data connections from different areas, allowing them to complete the customer experience. In other words, with this API, your system can make calls, send texts, emails, or even direct mail. We have customers who initially couldn't imagine leaving their current provider. But that's because they thought it was a big project, a lot of work on their side. When they realized it was a few simple lines of code, they embraced Message360. We're helping brands increase retention while building strong relationships, and there's no better feeling than that.
We understand that companies like reaching out to their customers in many different ways, and that can create complication. Different vendors, and each one has their own SLA. Using a unified API designed from the ground up, centered around redundancy, can increase your communications. Built using multiple data centers, network providers, and carriers, it creates a platform you can count on.
The way that consumers interact with brands is always evolving. In order to keep the competitive edge, businesses must listen and adapt to what their customers want. Message360 leads the way in offering more options to power those unique interactions. Brands can use Message360 to deliver their messages to their customers based on levels of urgency. What this means is simple. Within the platform, messages can be sent immediately or scheduled based on the event.
Message360 is a global communications API with zero call quality issues, excellent message delivery, and no uptime issues. Message360 and YTEL are a perfect match. YTEL has its roots in telecom and makes Message360 the perfect product to put on top of its platform.
Message360 has an easy to understand pay-per-use pricing model, which allows businesses to only spend on the traffic they generate through the system. This means that businesses can scale their products while keeping a close eye on the costs.
We want you to build cool stuff, and if you need our help, we can help build it with you. We can help your team with anything, from custom integrations to new applications built from the ground up.
The slogan at YTEL is the power to communicate. That slogan has never been truer than it is right now. With Message360, you get a whole new set of tools. We're offering you completely brand new ways to engage and interact with your audience. On behalf of the YTEL team, we can't wait to see what you build.